Vlogs by EdLab.
Dialogues is a free-to-use web-based product that you have to set up an EdLab account to access and log in. You can upload your own video, or you can take one from YouTube, or you can also link to a video. You can invite others to participate or view your video, and they can interact through time-stamped comments, surveys, multiple choice questions that you can develop for them. You can also share your video by embedding it into a website, blog, or an LMS.
Classes are great for older kids, especially if you can type and if you can read.
The minuses are you may have a little bit of trouble uploading your video depending on its format. Because it was developed by the Teachers College and the Columbia University, you may not get responses to any issues, problems and queries in a timely manner. You can't comment or participate without signing up, and it may be restricted to learners' ability and age. It has its own library of videos. It's much better for older students who are able to type, read, and follow steps longer than 3. You can view each other's comments, which may invoke some discussion and analysis of the information being shared, and it allows collaboration between students.